Um, Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you're watching this video from. And when you're watching this video, it's your boy Elzenito. Welcome back to my space. Currently recording on my phone. Today we are going to be checking out an amazing tool. It's called ShapesXR. The tool is so powerful. I feel it's going to be like the future of all things spatial planning, architectural designs, and stuff like that. But yeah, let's just jump right into it. Yeah, it's called Shapes XR, and I'm going to show you what it looks like and the potential it has. Right? Yeah, let's just highlight to load. I've been able to do one or two things on it. And you know the crazy part is, let me just show you what it looks like. So yeah, it's currently initializing. Yeah, just give it a few seconds. All right, now we are in our we are in our Shapes XR space. So before we continue, I want to just plug in my charger because I just got the headset, the strap, and the strap that comes with like the power bank and stuff. Anyways, this is your dashboard. You can see spaces, that is whatever it is you have created would be here. We have samples, something you can just pick from to to work with. Then we have like your tutorial, how to like learn the basics, how to do certain things and all with the automation and all. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just do a very short and brief introduction of what it looks like, what you can do with it. You can even bring in Figma and interact with Figma. But yeah, we will not go to that. I will just show you how to like, do that. So anyways, let me just open in. I'm going to bring you into like the space I've created so far. It's nothing serious, nothing crazy. So welcome to my space. You'd see that although I'm standing, but I mean you can literally see this particular environment. Now, initially, let's go to that side. Initially, this place was purely grayscale, just black and white, nothing serious. As you can see, you can move around using your um, controller, and you can see we have different kind of stuff here, and this is what we call teleporting. And if I sit down there, you can see I'm sitting down on this chair. Now I brought in this and this. You remember this MTN router design that I created, and this particular coffee brand can that I designed as well. Now you would know that in Figma there's what we call HTML to design, where you would copy an HTML of a particular let me calm down, of a particular site, right? You can copy the HTML of a particular site and bring it to Figma, and it is going to generate like the actual design for you. Anyways, that's not what we are here for. On this particular controller, we have several tools. I'm not going to be going through all this. I just want to show you what it can do, but we have several tools. We have the shape tool, we have the space tool. Hold on. I need to set my, yeah. All right, so let's continue. As I was saying, we have this environment. You can sit down, you can move around, you can just do whatever it is you want to do. But yeah, this is the space, this is the assets. You can bring in different assets. This is the prototyping. You can prototype, that is, you can create interactions on this particular space. This is, you can collaborate with people, and you can also do some settings and all. But let's say, for example, right, I'm trying to, so for example, you can put it at draw, shape, text, select, and paint. So let's say we put it in select. Select would make you be able to like select whatever it is you want to select. Let's say I select this, and I hope you can hold it and just play around with it, and you can drop it like this, and you can also select it, reduce the size or increase the size like this, and just select it like this, right? So something like that. Now we can just go to select. We can go to paint. I mean, let's go to paint. Now, when you go to paint, you can choose any paint color you want and just paint the building like that. As you can see, we can choose a very bright green. And for the ceiling as well, you can just choose something dark for the ceiling. Again, you can just play around with this. For the ceiling, you can choose something. You can also attach the color to this, right? As well as this. Um, yeah, what else? We can do so many things, right? So many things. You can bring in assets. So for example, if you choose 3D primitives, you can see different assets here. If you choose devices, you can bring in different assets and all. But if you go to your files, you can see gray.co, and that is this particular stuff here. This is this, and this is this, right? Let's go to select, right? So let me play this. All right. So that's one way to like bring in. That's one way to like bring in several stuff, and we have like now imagine this environment being a building, and you as an architect, you have something in mind that you want to like create for your clients, and after creating it, you're able to like add colors, add textures, you know arrange it the way you would want your client to see it. And you can then bring your client using the Quest 3. You can bring your client into this space whereby the client does not have to see the finished building. It's one thing for you to like do the 3D animation of your building. It's another thing for the client to actually experience it in real life, like as though it is already existing. Now imagine that where you're able to like building your building, right? Your 3D building, and you're able to like bring it into SpaceXR, and you're able to like add in some texture, some lightning, some colors and stuff, and you're able to like collaborate with your client. Your client comes into this space and sees how the building would look like when it is finalized, or certain things that they can try. So imagine if you have a building and you are not sure of what color to choose or what style to go for, and you can just bring it here and just play around it and see what it would look like, and if it's something that you would want to go for. So this is a tool that can help you do that. I'm still like trying to learn a bit more about shapes XR, but I believe it's going to be a very, very powerful tool with lots of potential. Now when it comes to interaction, what interaction is all about is, take for example, the color of MTN router is yellow, right? You can create an interaction such that you can press a button and the button changes it to red, press another button and the button changes it to green. So imagine if you create a chair and you want to see what the chair looks like in multiple colors. You can create an interaction for those colors, and when the client comes in, all the client needs to do is just press the button yellow and the chair goes to yellow, right? So that is what interaction is all about. And yeah, it's quite a very, very powerful tool. Let me know what you feel about this. Let me know if you're going to be testing this out. If you have like the Quest 3, you should definitely check it out. At the moment, it is free to download, but ShapesXR has like pricing plan. For now, I'm currently using the free plan. The free plan allows you to like create, I think, 3 spaces. But yeah, you can also check it out and see and experience it. But yeah, I think this is a very, very powerful tool, and it has a lot of potential. Anyways, that's it, guys. Let me know what you guys think about this, and drop your thoughts in the comments. And I'm going to